Hello everyone, this is Praveen Kalyan. Exactly Jan 1, 2024, I take a resolution to learn Python programming language, and that was my first programming language to learn, and I completely learned it. Sorry, not yet. Now I am learning DSA in Python. I just learned in 60 days. In this video, I want to talk about exactly what resources I use and how I practice my Python. Yes, what project I build at the end of my whole learning process. Now let's get started. It's all about my fundamentals or strong. Make sure hit the smash button and subscribe to our channel. It was back Jan 5, 2024. I was completed my diploma in health inspector course, but I already take a resolution Jan 1, 2024. I'm searching for a platform to learn a Python because I want to learn cybersecurity. Python is very useful for cybersecurity, so that's why I choose Python. In YouTube, I learned Python like fundamentals, syntax, variables, data types, if loop, for loop, while loop, function, like that, blah blah blah. It took me 3 months to learn basics, and now you are thinking, hey bro, you are telling in 60 days like that only. Wait, I will explain. After a month, I dropped my Python journey. I just learned basic, and then I think I want a course because I don't need to watch like YouTube playlist. Yes, I know it was free, but I need much content for most effectively. When I was open a YouTube feed, I just see Ishan Sharma video like 100 days of Python versus 0 to 1 pro Python, like that course, and that was this course 100 days of learning Python. I purchased this course on 15th August 2024. This was the course called 100 days of learning Python, the complete Python pro bootcamp, which is introduced by Angela Yu. I already posted this video in our channel, so check it out. This is the instructor, is very nice with the way she explained all the concept in every simple terms, and she give 100 days 100 projects, but I did it 60 days because I already know some basics. The way she give the example is very simple and concise. For example, she compare Python with PL. If you see that video, you can enjoy and learn. As you can see, 14 lakh people already purchased this course, and I was one of the person as well as. Now let me show you what exactly you will get on this course. If you stick till the end of this video, I will share my free resources course about Python. Make sure you can also smash the like button and subscribe to our channel if you are enjoying this video so far. So this is the course content. As you can see it, 56 hours of length, 23 coding exercise assignments, 225 articles, 592 lectures, which is a lot. She will give some wallpaper to motivate us. We can use our desktop to wallpaper like 100 days of change our life, like that. If you see, you can enjoy. It will motivate us. And today is Ayudha Puja. If you are thinking to buy a course, you can go to Udemy and purchase it now, because the course price is 3000 rupees and now the price is 450 rupees. Now coming to free resources, I learned YouTube like Error Makes Clever is a Tamil video content, and Free Code Camp and Tech with Team, and finally Jenny Lecturers. So these are the YouTube channel I learned my fundamentals. I give in the description. If you learned 1% of this video, I will very happy for that. Praveen Kalyan, peace.